Today we're going to show you how to install the door moldings. What do we have here? We have brand new walls, and we want to make it look much better than it was before, but we don't want to remove the door jambs. So basically what we did, we removed the old moldings, and right now we're going to install the new one. So all you have to do, you have to measure the molding on existing place. So it's going to be right here. Then alright, so new molding is a little bit wider than previous one. So to install the new one, we have to cut the baseboard a little bit. So we can do that with I used thread nailer, 18 gauge, and the nails was 1.5 inches. So just to make sure that it's gonna be solid. Alright, so we have gap right here, and right now we're gonna seal it and then paint it, and everything gonna be nice and smooth. So this is the ceiling. You see? No gap. And check out the wall. It's mirroring.